Hi beauties, I am back with the Ipsy BoxyCharm box and I'm just going to jump right into it. The first thing I'm going to grab out of here is from LYS, and I have loved their products. I'm actually using one of their, what is it, highlight? No, it is it's a concealer. I am using a concealer by them right now. And I think I have a liquid bronzer, maybe. So anyway, this is a detox. It says think deep, pore minimizing detox mask with pomegranate and charcoal. And the brand is LYS. I want to see. Oh, it's just a little pink mask. Okay, that's cute. And they always do like the little triangles. I like that. It says you can say goodbye to clogged pores. Girl, I need that. It says apply a thin layer all over the face or T-zone twice a week. Leave on for 10 to 15 minutes. Then rinse with warm water. I can't wait to use this. I need all the help in that area that I can get. The next thing I'm excited about, because we had a product from this brand 2 cycles ago, maybe, or no, maybe 2 boxes ago. And honestly, I've used it all and my hair reacted so well to it. I mean, I don't have a lot of hair, but it was nice. I really enjoyed it, so I know I will love this too. It says it gives your mane a bust of intense moisture and softness. You can leave this in as a deeply hydrating damp or dry strands overnight. Apply on damp or dry hair before bedtime. Spread a pump into your hands and distribute from mid-length to ends. And no need to wash it in the morning. So you don't put this in your roots. It would probably make it very oily. You put it from like right here down. I want to smell it because the other one smelled so good. Oh, look at the pump. And also the bottle, I went through it so fast because like there was no controlling. Oh my God, it smells just as good. Different, but just as good as the other product. I love it. I'm probably going to use it tonight, to be honest. I'm pretty excited about that. And I need to learn how to say this brand. Amica? I don't know, but I do love the brand. I really, really do. Let's see, this next one looks like another skincare. It's a Cocoa Kind moisturizer and hydrant. Let's just go with the words that I can pronounce. So let's just, I love boxes when they feel like this, like the faux leather type feeling. You just earned Club Kind points. It says head over to their website for reward redeeming free products. Interesting. Kind of has the philosophy look to it. It doesn't have a good, it doesn't have a smell really. But I would definitely not qualify it as a good smell. So that is a moisturizer. And we have 2 more items to make our 5 full-size items. And if you're a member, you get to pick 3 products. It's up to a $200 value, this box, and you only pay $28 a month. Pretty good if you ask me. So this is by Laura Geller. I'm kind of burnt out on palettes. I feel like they all look the same recently. I did see somebody with a Scooby-Doo palette, I would want to say. And I was like, oh, well, that's different. But I don't wear a lot of those bright colors either. I'm a little more subdued with my makeup now. I do like the packaging, but see, these are all shades that we know too well. They're really pretty, but nothing that we haven't seen. I'm going to be giving this away in one of my monthly giveaways because it's a pretty little palette, and maybe you don't have 2 drawers of palettes and you would love this. So that's awesome. It is 6 matte eyeshadows and 2 highlighters. Now this is by Lunar Beauty. It's 2 lip pencils, and they're in Doodle and Blushing. I feel that these are gonna work really good as like lighter shades. Yeah, kind of can probably do that like Kylie look. You know the one I'm talking about. So that one is Doodle. It's almost the same shade. So Doodle's on the outside, Blushing is on the inside. I will want to try those out for sure. Especially not going to give it to somebody after I drew on my hand with it. For sure. Okay, back in. So we kind of got 6 items because there's 2 in here. Just looking at the upside of things. So remember, that is a 5 full-size items. You get to pick 3. If you're a member, it is $28 a month, up to a $200 value each month. I love Ipsy and I love BoxyCharm, and that they're working together is perfect for me. I get to support both places because they're all under Ipsy now. And for me, one of the things that I always like to point out is how not everybody has the money to go out and buy a $30 product, much less 5, even if it was just $30 a piece. Not everybody has that ability, and BoxyCharm and Ipsy have been long in the business of letting people that really couldn't afford things have a little bit nicer life, because they were providing options for us, which I mean, I am a full-out supporter. I love how the BoxyCharms always give us a good selection, a little bit of everything. There's new brands, but there are also old brands that we very much love and trust. So, you know, I'm going to be here to support them to the very end. So, I hope that you enjoyed this unboxing with me. It was a little fast this week just because, you know, I have a full face of makeup on. There's not really makeup. So, I want to know what you like to see when you see somebody unboxing. Give me any tips that you want to give me, and I will definitely try to do that. Thank you for watching. Thank you to Ipsy and BoxyCharm for gifting. I am very humbled and appreciative. And I hope to see you next month. Remember, be your own beautiful. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell to hear when I go up with new things. And overall, know that you're loved.